Hello children, welcome back to Math Learning Curve. Today we will see CBSC Class 8 Exponents and Power Chapter 12 Exercise 12.1. Let's go to the first question. Evaluate subdivision 1 3 to the power of minus 2. So this can be written as 1 by 3 to the power of 2. The minus power becomes positive when I do a reciprocal. Okay, this can be written as 1 divided by 3 into 3, which is nothing but 1 by 9. This is the answer. Let's move on to the next subdivision. Subdivision 2, minus 4 to the power of minus 2, which can be written as 1 by minus 4 to the power of 2. Here I am just doing a reciprocal and making the minus 2 power as plus 2, whereas the number will remain the same. Okay, so this can be written as 1 divided by minus 4 into minus 4. Okay, so minus 4 square can be written as minus 4 into minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 4 becomes plus 4. Okay, minus into minus becomes plus, and 4 into 4 becomes 16. So the answer is 1 by 16. Let's move on to the next subdivision, subdivision 3, which is 1 by 2 to the power of minus 5. So when I do a reciprocal, minus 5 power will become plus 5, right? So what I need to do is 1 divided by 1 by 2 to the power of plus 5. Okay, so this can be written as 1 divided by 1 to the power of 5 divided by 2 to the power of 5. Okay, which can again be written as 1 divided by 1 to the power of 5 is 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. 1, you have to multiply 1 5 times. Okay, you will get 1 only. Whereas 2, if you multiply 2 5 times, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. 16 into 2 is 32. So the answer is 1 divided by 1 by 32. So when I do a cross multiplication, I will get 32 as the answer. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. So we need to simplify this and express the result answer in power notation with positive exponent. Okay, so let's see how it can be done. So minus 4 to the power of 5 divided by minus 4 to the power of 8. So this can be written as a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n can be written as a to the power of m minus n. Similarly, minus 4 to the power of 5 divided by minus 4 to the power of 8 can be written as minus 4 to the power of 5 minus 8. Okay, so 5 minus 8 is minus 3. Okay, 5 minus 8 minus 5 is 3, and the biggest number sign is minus, so I am making it as minus 3. So this can be written as minus 4 to the power of minus 3. Okay, here the question says simplify. We have already simplified it, and express the result in the power notation with positive exponent. We have a power notation, but it has to be in positive sign. So I am doing a reciprocal to make it positive. So minus 3 becomes plus 3. So the answer is 1 by minus 4 to the power of 3. Okay. Okay, the next subdivision is 1 divided by 2 to the power of 3 to the whole power 2. This can be written as 1 to the power of 2 divided by 2 to the power of 3 to the power 2. So, a to the power of m into whole power n can be written as a to the power of m into n. Similarly, this can be written as 1 square is 1 and 2 to the power of 3 whole power 2 becomes 2 to the power of 3 into 2, which is nothing but 2 to the power of 6. Okay, so we are just keeping the power notation and it is already positive, and this is the answer. Okay, next subdivision is minus 3 to the power of 4 into 5 by 3 to the power of 4. That can be written as minus 3 can be written as minus 1 into 3 to the power of 4 into 5 by 3 to the power of 4. Again, I am just moving this whole power 4 as individual powers. So this will become minus 1 to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 4 and 5 to the power of 4 divided by 3 to the power of 4. Minus 1 to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 4 and into 5 to the power of 4. This divided by 3 to the power of 4. I am doing a reciprocal and making it as into 3 to the power of minus 4. So a to the power of m into a to the power of n can be written as a to the power of m plus n. So I have a 3 to the power of 4 here, 3 to the power into 3 to the power of minus 4 here. That can be written as minus into plus is minus. So 3 to the power of 4 minus 4. Okay, into 5 to the power of 4. So 1 into anything is the same thing. 3 to the power of 4 minus 4 is 3 to the power of 0 into 5 to the power of 4. 8 to the power of 0 is nothing but 1. So 1 into 5 to the power of 4. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 5 to the power of 4 is 5 to the power of 4. This is the answer. Now let's see the next subdivision. 3 to the power of minus 7 divided by 3 to the power of minus 10 into 3 to the power of minus 5. 3 to the power of minus 7 divided by 3 to the power of minus 10 can be written as 3 to the power of minus 7 divided by 3 to the power of minus 10 into 3 to the power of minus 5. That becomes, so here this is again a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n formula, which is nothing but a to the power of m minus n. So 3 to the power of minus 7, when I do a reciprocal, this becomes plus 10, okay, into 3 to the power of minus 5, which is nothing but 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of minus 5, which is nothing but 3 to the power of 3 minus 5, which is nothing but 3 to the power of minus 2. Okay, 3 minus 5 is, biggest number sign is minus, so 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So now as per the question, we have to have a positive exponent. I have 3 to the power of minus 2. To make it positive, I am doing a reciprocal. 1 by 3 to the power of plus 2. This is the answer. Okay. Now let's see the next subdivision. 2 to the power of minus 3 into minus 7 to the power of minus 3. This is nothing but a to the power of m into b to the power of m. Here the power remains the same, whereas the integers are different. In that case, what you do is you write a to the power of m into b to the power of m as ab to the whole power m. Applying this formula here, we will make this as 2 into minus 7 to the whole power minus 3. So 2 into 7 is 14 and plus into minus is minus to the whole power minus 3. Okay. So this can be written as, I have to make this power positive. To make the power positive, I am doing a reciprocal and this becomes minus 4. 1 by minus 4 to the whole power 3. Okay, you can write it this way, or it can even be 1 by minus 4 to the whole power 3. Okay, this is the answer. Let's move on to the next question. Find the value of 3. Subdivision 1. 3 to the power of 0 plus 4 to the power of minus 1 into 2 to the power of 2. Okay, any number to the power 0 is 1 plus 4 to the power of minus 1 into 2 to the power of 2. This becomes 1 plus this one. I have a minus power. To make it positive, I'm doing a reciprocal, 4 to the power of 1. Okay, when I do a reciprocal, it becomes 4 to the power of 1 into 2 to the power of 2 is nothing but 2 into 2, which is 4. Okay, here I'm doing a LCM. 4 to the power of 1 is 4. So here again, to do a LCM, just adding a 1 to the denominator. So 4 will go here 4 times. 4 into 1 is 4 plus 4 will go here 1 time. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, into 4. 4 plus 1 is 5 divided by 4 into this 4. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. The answer is 5. Okay, so the next subdivision is 2 to the power of minus 1 into 4 to the power of minus 1 divided by 2 to the power of minus 2. This can be written as 2 to the power of 1 can be written as 1 by 2. To make it positive, I'm doing a reciprocal into 1 by 4 to the power of 1 whole divided by 1 by 2 to the power of 2. Okay, this becomes 1 divided by 2 into 4 is 8 divided by 1 divided by 2 to the power of 2 is 2 into 2, 4. Okay, so this can be written as 1 by 8 whole divided by 1 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 8 into 4 by 1. 4 will go here 2 times. So 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 1 is 2. So 1 by 2 is the answer. Now let's see the next subdivision. Subdivision 3. 1 by 2 to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by 3 to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by 4 to the power of minus 2. Okay, to make all the powers positive, I'm doing a reciprocal. So reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. Okay, to the whole power 2 plus 3 by 1 to the whole power 2 plus 4 by 1 to the whole power 2, which is nothing but 2 power 2 divided by 1 power 2 plus 3 power 2 divided by 1 power 2 plus 4 power 2 divided by 1 power 2. So 1 power 2 becomes 1. Okay, so 2 into 2 is 4. 4 by 1 plus 3 into 3 is 9. 9 by 1 power 2 is 1 plus 4 into 2 is 16 divided by 1. So 4 by 1 is 4, 9 by 1 is 9, 16 by 1 is 16. So all you need to do is 4 plus 9 plus 16, which is nothing but 29. That's the answer. Okay, let's move on to the next subdivision. Subdivision 4. 3 to the power of minus 1 plus 4 to the power of minus 1 plus 5 to the power of minus 1 to the whole power 0. So how do we write this? It's a very simple question. any number to the power 0 is equal to 1. We know that, right? So this is nothing but 1. Okay, that's the answer. Let's move on to the next question. Next subdivision. Minus 2 divided by 3 whole power minus 2 whole power 2. Okay, let's see the internal part alone. Okay, minus 2 by 3 to the whole power 2. Okay, this can be written as minus 2 to the power of minus 2 divided by 3 to the power of minus 2. So we know to make this powers positive, we need to do a reciprocal. So how do we do that? This is equal to 1 divided by minus 2, okay, to the power 2 whole divided by 1 divided by 3 to the power 2. I'm doing a reciprocal and making this negative powers positive. Okay, with this, by doing a cross multiplication, we will get into 3 whole square by 1. Okay, which is nothing but 3 square divided by minus 2 square. Okay, this is nothing but the internal part. Now we have another whole square. Okay, so minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 whole square 2 whole square 2 can be written as 3 square by minus 2 whole square to the power 2 whole square. Okay, so this can be written as 3 to the power 2 whole square divided by minus 2 to the power square whole square. Okay, this is nothing but 3 square is what? 9 square divided by minus 2 square is what? Minus 2 into minus 2, which is plus 4. Okay, 4 square, this becomes 4 and this is square. Okay, so this is again 9 into 9 divided by 4 into 4, which is nothing but 81 by 6. This is the answer. Okay, children, we have covered question number 1 to 4 from exercise 12.1. Question number 5 to 7 will be covered in the next video. If you like the video, like it, share it with your friends, and comment if you have any question. Please do not forget to subscribe to Math Learning Curve. Happy learning!